Hello and welcome back. Our next pattern is going to be a wrap to unwrap to free spin. Again, that's wrap, unwrap to free spin, okay? So we're going to get right into this. We're going to take it from two angles, just like we did kind of the grapevines. We're going to start with a two-hand open position. Again, you can come off of this, we'll start off with a open, toss across, hand toss across, or in between when we get there, okay, with a release. But we're going to have a two-hand hold. We're going to start from this angle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Now again, if you have a bigger movement or floor space, you can actually travel this a little bit more. Just rotate through and keep the flow going. Okay, let's try from this angle. Again, rhythm and counts. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. You'll notice after the free spin that Mike and I kind of go up and then we come back a little bit. That's okay with a lot of these patterns. Now if you want to kind of go through and follow through, it's easy to kind of get that going. If I take her over here and I did the unwrap, but I go for the free spin here, I can continue moving through and so forth, yeah? So we go over that in a little bit more detail again in the more private session style dancing, but you can see how we can continue flowing just like we did the open box, okay, traveling box. So, in other words, go to the private lesson style videos if you need to, right? So, this is a quick review. Go over this together, apart, and then come on back to the next pattern.